Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about the error code E3 on your Nest thermostat. But first, what does error code E3 mean? A Nest thermostat that displays an error code E3 means there is an issue with the thermostat's power, meaning that the thermostat is not receiving steady 24-volt power from the HVAC system. Here are some common causes of the error code E3. Wiring issues. If the wiring is not properly done or the wires come loose, then the thermostat might not get the required power to function correctly, causing the error code E3. Blown HVAC fuse. If the fuse is blown, it can prevent the thermostat from receiving power, leading to this error. Low power from the HVAC system. Another cause of the E3 error is when an HVAC system does not supply sufficient power to the thermostat. This could be due to a transformer problem or a problem with the HVAC system. Thermostat overheating. The E3 error can also be caused by thermostat overheating. If the internal temperature is high, the thermostat will turn off the heating to prevent system damage. Now let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the error code E3. Check the wiring connections. To know if loose wires or disconnected wires cause the error in the circuit, try the following. Turn off the power of the HVAC system at the breaker. Take the Nest thermostat out from its stand. Check the wire's connectivity to ensure they are well fixed and in the right place. Plug the thermostat back into the base and switch the power back on. Inspect the HVAC fuse. If the wiring is okay, then the next thing to inspect is the HVAC fuse. Do this. Find the fuse in your air conditioning unit, most of which can be found on the control board. Check whether the fuse is blown. If blown, it will look black or may be broken. Replace if broken. Verify the power supply from the HVAC system. Follow these steps. Check the voltage on the HVAC system. Using a multimeter, test the voltage from the HVAC system to the thermostat to see if it is a steady 24 volts. If the voltage is low, you may have to consult with the HVAC technician about whether the transformer or any of the other systems should be checked. Allow the thermostat to cool down. If the thermostat shuts down due to overheating, the best course of action is to wait for it to cool. Once the thermostat's internal temperature lowers to a safe point for operation, it continues heating. Thanks for watching.